have fast passes for Animal Kingdom. I have one at Everest and like, when does it end? It ends in like 15 minutes. So you're gonna try to rush to that. They switched my days around, so I worked for like 9 days straight. And like usually I get Monday and Tuesday off, but I worked 9 days straight and they gave me Thursday and Friday, but I picked up a shift for tomorrow. But let's go to Everest. So much. Maybe not as much as like, because my favorite roller coaster here is Rock and Roller Coaster, because you know I love upside down stuff, so like that's my number one. But you know, that might change. Like it'll be my favorite upside down roller coaster, but my favorite roller coaster, it might change because I get to ride Slinky Dog soon. Like I get a sneak peek. My friend from Bog, the one I took to the like sneak preview of the Up, she's taking me. So by the time I post this, I'll already have rode in it, and you'll probably see that vlog because I plan on vlogging. I can't vlog the actual ride, but I'll vlog my like experience on it. But just got done with my Everest Fast Pass. I have a Fast Pass for Nemo the Musical, which is like the best. I watched it for the first time. I was gonna vlog it, but you know I kind of wanted to experience it like first time, like not like worry about recording anything. So I'll show some of my favorite parts in that. It's actually right now, so we better go. So I'm at Nemo the Musical, and I got like, it's not VIP because VIP's over there, but I got like this pretty much VIP on the other side. So like if you want like really good like viewing, because the characters, they go right there. If you want really good viewing, get a fast pass so you can get onto this side early. But I think if you know people, you can get onto that side over there that's like reserved for like VIPs and stuff like that.
Fish are friends, no food. Waiting, fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard of P. Sherman 42, Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Sydney! What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's the East Australian current. Just keep swimming, swimming. The current kid is in that direction. Just keep swimming, swimming. Whenever you'll float your right there, singing. This is a jellyfish.
Well, incorrect here, Jack. It's an entire fish opera.
Yes, get them home.
You can have it, old man. But for you. Touche.
And then this whale comes along, takes him right to Sydney Harbor and shoots him out his spout. Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing. Wait a minute, we're penguins. We can't fly.
Nemo, your dad's been finding the entire ocean looking for you.
My father?
He spent hundreds of
Nemo! Nemo! It's okay, Daddy's here. Daddy's got you.
Daddy, Dad, I don't hate you.
No, I'm so sorry. Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
150? But Sandy Clinton said...
Sandy Klein, you think after what I've been through, I don't know as much as Sandy Klein do. Ah!
So tell me, Daddy, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Want to make it 3?
Time for school! Time for school! I go to school?
Not really. Climb aboard, explorer! Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. Look at that!
I wasn't in too, son. Now go have an adventure.
Bye, Elmo!
Nemo.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
My son.
I love that show so much. It's literally, okay, it might be my new favorite. I haven't seen Up one yet, but I heard that's not very good, but you know, it's Up, so it's probably gonna be like something I'm gonna love. But I mean, it's so good. I'm gonna go try to meet the Dino chipmunks because I haven't met the chipmunks yet. And I mean, the Dino ones are adorable, so let's go see if we can meet them. My next fast pass isn't until like 3, so I have like 3 hours to go. Get it, girl. Yes, baby. Solo. Very good.
Voguing always.
Yes, girl.
Yeah.
You are so Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have some bad news. They didn't give me a picture with you guys. So we're gonna pretend these squirrels are you, okay? Alright, there's that for you. Oh, finally met the chipmunks. They were so adorable. Oh. Alright, so here's where they have their like chipmunk dance party. And it's at 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna try to come to it. I want to try to get to Hollywood Studios before 5 o'clock. So I'll probably do that and then go to Hollywood. I want to see the Up show, so we're gonna go do that.
Hello, my name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Track 54th Sweat Lodge 12. Shabash, tell us about your funny friend. He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar!
Caw, caw, roar. Now, Keto here is a really cool type of parrot.
And I would love to tell you what kind she is, but she can do it, and it's pretty cool. So what do you think, Keto? This is Keto, and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. That's right. What do you think, Keto? How about the big, scary tiger? She can also do the slightly smaller tiger. How about your kitty cat?
Yeah.
Great job, kitty cat. And one of my favorite things that Keto can do is not just the animal sounds, but she can sing. What do you think? Would you like to hear Keto's song?
Yeah.
All right, Keto, are you ready? Let's sing. Let's sing. Excellent job, Keto. We got 1 and 2. You can do it. And 3, 4, 5. Excellent job, Sonny. Now with Flannery over here.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend.
Bye.
Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh,
The
I
wilderness
love them.
must be explored. Bye.
That was so good compared to like what people were saying about it. It was really good. Like, yeah, the birds don't always cooperate, and that's like a lot of people said it was like the first show, so like the birds weren't like all that comfortable with it. They weren't cooperating very well, and I mean, I guess that's like you can't always help that, but the trainers like they still make it fun and like brush it off if the bird doesn't do the right trick at the right time. But it was so good.
Sorry, I got distracted. Are you all traveling together? No, just her? Okay.
On my ears?
They're very nice and sparkly. Sequins on your hat, Russell? That would be a lot. Oh, you want ears? Okay, we'll put ears on your hat. We'll work on it.
I think since you helped Carl, you know, get to Paradise Falls, I have something for you. There's your grape soda.
Oh, that's so cool. Got it? It looks so good.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Dinosaur just went 101.
They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would.
Hey, that's right. That's what we like to see. Go Chippendale.
Hot Pockets
Are delicious.
are delicious. You totally ruined my bed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll just dance down here by myself.
It's okay.
Act like a dinosaur.
Woo!
Sent you hallelujah. Woo! Sent you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you.
Alright, I got something for you.
Oh yes? Is it a dinosaur?
You'll recognize it.
Okay.
Here we go, Dinoland. Go! It was either this or Let It Go. I went with this one.
I appreciate that. There you go. All I want for Christmas is a dog.
A dog? Oh,
Dog.
I thought it'd be a dinosaur.
I might come back here because I believe they close at 10 or 10:30, and I'm gonna try to get on Flight of Passage. It's 2 hours, over 2 hours, I think. And I'm not waiting on that. I have a fast pass for Tower, so we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. I don't want this vlog like 2 hours long. I'm gonna like make 2 parts. So this is the end of part one.